the 50th anniversary symposium on the semiconductor laser it's going to be a lot of fun. The idea for the symposium is to cover not just the history, but also some of the key applications and the development working towards things like telecommunications and so forth, as well as looking into the future. Quantum cascade lasers have been around for several years, have VCSELs, and they're tremendously important these days. And moving into the nano laser regime, what can you do with that? And how small and how high performance can you make these devices? So it should be quite exciting. We start off with Herb Kromer, Nobel Prize winner and all-around giant in the field, and then we'll have Russ Dupuis from Georgia Tech, who will give an overview of the materials development, which was so instrumental for the semiconductor laser, followed by a couple of giants from Bell Labs, Mort Panish, he'll talk about the first demonstration of the room temperature CW laser, semiconductor laser, as well as Charles Henry, also from Bell Labs, who will talk about the initial impetus towards moving into the nanoscale, the first quantum well lasers, and so forth. And then Amnon Yariv, Tom Koch, and Don Cyphers will talk about high-speed lasers, distributed feedback lasers, so all the engines of telecommunications that we have today, high-power lasers, and so forth. And then Jack Jewell will talk about VCSELs, Dave Welsh on photonic integrated circuits, which is really gaining in commercial deployment these days. Professor Arakawa will talk about indium arsenide quantum dots, which is obviously very important. Jerome Feist will talk about quantum cascade lasers, and Ming Wu will be our final speaker from Berkeley, who will talk about nano lasers and the future of just how small we can make semiconductor lasers, things like that. So it should be very exciting.